let's unbox this mix grinder that I recently got from the Chinese shop. It's called a ssot mix grinder. This is the box. It's looking all colorful. I love it. It's orangey gray. I love the pop of color, which is orange here. They say it's super fast. It has a super speed, energy efficient motor, more power consumption of electricity, smooth grinding, quality performance, long life mixer, the polycarbonated lid, unbreakable, and food grade. These are the qualities of the mix grinder. So without wasting more time, let's unbox. Let me get a scissor, then I unbox. First, when you open the box, there is the manual, the ssot mix grinder manual, instructions, and the warranty card. Yeah, the manual just shows you how to use the mix grinder, how to fix the jars and blades. It also shows that in this box here there is the grind jar, the liquidizer jar, and the chutney jar. Yeah, and yeah, and it also shows that it has it comes out with 3 colors. Here you can see the white and pink, and yellow and black, red and black. So quality without compromise. Let's take out what's inside. The first box. In the first box we have this here. I believe it's the chutney jar. I believe this is the chutney jar. This is the chutney jar. This is the chutney jar. They say the chutney grinding blade. This is the blade here for making chutney for making chutney purees instantly. This is the chutney grinding jar. And then we have, let me put this aside. Then in here we have another medium box. The first one was small box. And then this, I suppose it's the grinder jar, and the liquidizer jar, because I can see there are 2 jars in here. Let me open up this and show you guys. I am so excited. I've never had a mix grinder before. So I'm going to make my dry spices in here. Let me put that aside too. The bigger one, it's a grinder jar, And then this small one, it's a liquidizer jar. Then this is the lid for the grinder jar, and this is how the grinder jar looks like. The grinder jar with the grinding blade. They say this is the dry grinding blade, and this jar with a grinding blade, you can make your spices, your coffee beans, cereal, you know, grinder, coriander, and turmeric mix, and then you have your dry spices, you know. And then we have a liquidizer, and this is the jar for this is the lid for the liquidizer. This is the liquidizer jar. In here we have a wet grinding blade here. These are the blades in here. This is the blade. It's a wet grinding blade. You grind butter for idli, water instantly best for results. Watch the process until the desired consistency is achieved. You know, I think this one here, I can make my smoothies if I'm lazy to use my blender, you know. So this is a liquidizer jar. Yeah. And then we have let me put this aside. Then we have the system for the mix grinder. The system for the mix grinder. Let me take it out from this plastic. And there we have it. And there we have the system for the mix grinder. So this is a liquidizer jar. No, it's a grinder jar. And this is how it looks. And then here, you know, it has the speeds. You adjust your speed, the 0, 1, 2, 3, and yeah, the high speed here is 3. And then you just plug in your mix grinder every time when you grind every time when you use your mix grinder. So in this mix grinder, I'm going to make chutney, purees. I'm going to make dry spices, you know. If I want to grind, you know, my coffees in here, coffee beans in here, I use this one. If I want to use a grinder machine for making spices, I'm gonna use this one. Or maybe if I want to make to grind the cereals, you know, I'm gonna use this one. And then this one here is for making purees and making chutney, you know, making your sauces using this mix grinder. I can't wait to use it. So guys, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And very soon I'm going to be using this mix grinder and I'm gonna test it with you guys. So keep on watching, and please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, Love you. Until my next video. Bye bye.